Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevy Silverado with the 2.7 liter turbo. That's right, for 2020 the Silverado is offered with a turbocharged 4-cylinder. While you may scoff at the idea after driving it to get here, it's actually pretty impressive, and it would be a great option for someone who uses their truck for a long highway commute, because the fuel economy of this is 10 times better than the V8. This case we get 19 miles per gallon city, 22 on the highway. Not bad at all given the size of the vehicle. Total price comes to $43,000. This is the double cab, smaller backseat area, but not too small at all. You can get the crew cab, of course, or the extended cab. This is the RST trim level, mated to the 2.7 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, is the 8-speed automatic. Moving the truck forward so we can get some interior lighting. And she is pretty. Nice carpeted floor. Very similar to the V8 RST because, well, they're both RSTs. But yeah. Why don't we go ahead and take this thing out on the road? Auto start stop is a feature on these trucks. Oh, okay. That was the first time I really got on it. This thing pulls pretty good. Wow, that's really good. The 4-cylinder definitely adds torque compared to the 6-cylinder, I should say. Of course, driving many Silverados over the past couple weeks, I'm very familiar with all of the switchgear. However, it's extremely easy to use for someone who's never driven one before to get in and know how to use. You do have heated seats and a heated steering wheel as part of the RST trim. Really, really nice feature, especially today with cold, rainy weather. You know what though, at least it's not snow. What's nice about the turbo is it doesn't have to downshift to get you the power you need. This turbo is a very torque focused turbo rather than horsepower. What does that mean? So they use a much smaller turbo that spools up very, very quickly. So turbo lag's pretty much a thing of the past with this motor, but it also means that almost all of the torque and power is down low. That means you do not have to wring out this motor to get the power you're looking for. Matter of fact, I think peak torque is under 2,000 RPM, and that's pretty impressive. How does it handle, you might ask? Actually pretty well. One of the upsides to having, well, half the cylinders of the 8-cylinder is lightness. And anybody that knows cars knows that a lighter vehicle drives better than one that's heavy. Another huge bonus to a lighter vehicle is power. Acceleration, fuel economy, all helped by having a lighter vehicle. How does lightness affect handling, you might ask, in this? I can instantly feel that the front end is lighter. It's a little bit more nimble, more willing to turn in. It just feels like there's less weight pushing around the truck. Onto the suspension test. This is where the lightness helps again. This thing rides really, really well. No crashing over bumps or anything like that. Alright, you guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.